Hello, today we'll continue working with this human resources app, and what I'd like to show you in this video is how to change the look and feel of the application. I will walk you through the configuration of the general settings, the homepage, and the appearance of the application. Let's go. So first I will go to the designer view by clicking on the wrench icon. And first thing that I can configure is the homepage settings. So this is what is shown to the end users when they sign in or when they log into this application, to the human resources application. So I will go ahead and change the title and say something like welcome to the human resources app. Okay, and in the next section I should be able to include a description for my application, etc. Now notice that this is a rich text editor. That means that you can add some styles to the text that you put in here, and you can also add some images, some links using a URL, and so on. So that is for that description. One more option that you can configure here is say that you want to display or not this homepage. If you decide to keep it enabled, which is by default, this is the first thing that the users will see when they come to the application. If you disable it, you will have to choose a form and a list. That means a table of records to show to the users. That is only in case that you decide not to show the homepage. So I will select employees and I will show all the records for these users. Alright, okay, so next settings that I want to show you are the general settings. So next configuration I want to show you is the general settings. In the general settings I find some details such as the application name, and this is what is shown in the header. I can also type in a description for this app to make it easier to identify. I can use a Google Analytics tracking ID, and then the format settings. I can define a specific format for the dates and time, or you can choose also a time zone. And the other option that we have to pay attention here is the end user override. In this case, that is enabled. This means that the users will be able to set their own configuration or their own settings and override the ones that I just configured. If I disable this, that means that they will be using the settings that I have configured here no matter what. Okay, and next I want to show you the appearance configuration for the app. As you can see, first thing that we can change or we can set is the application icon. The application icon is what is shown in the header next to the application name, and you can choose from a big gallery of different icons for any application with any purpose. So I will choose this icon. Second thing is to define a color for the icon. Alright, and next is the theme settings. This is, you want to change the color of the header and the color of the navigation bar in the end user interface. So let's say that I choose CK's theme, which is blue, some kind of indigo blue and light blue. So I choose this theme, and now the application has been configured. Let me go to the end user's perspective and take a look at the changes. So I go to home, and take a look at the changes. Okay, there you go. So you can see that in the header we have the indigo blue that I mentioned before, and then if I go to any specific form and view, the highlighting is in the color, in the other color that was in the theme. Okay, so I hope you find this video useful. I hope I hope this video is useful for you. As you have been able to see, we are building this human resources application. Thank you for following up until this point, and I hope to see you in the next video. Goodbye.